Welcome to the demo for ParkManager meter billing. In this demo, we're going to be covering some of the basics of meter billing in ParkManager. And to start with, the concept of meter billing involves meters. So from the home screen, we're going to click on meters. And here you see a list of various meters, including electrical meters and water meters in this particular configuration. And meter billing also supports gas meters. So let's take a look at a water meter, a typical water meter. We access the detail by clicking on the first column. And here we can see several things. The current reading that was last read and the previous reading before that, as well as the usage. Over on this side, we've got the service address where the meter is actually located, the location ID, which is the logical space number that is tracked in ParkManager for all billing around the actual space. And then this is the account number, which is the resident that is assigned to the that particular space. And then following that are the billing codes. And then these are a water charge and various components that make up the water charge. So when this when this meter is billed, the charges from these billing codes will be applied to this customer account. And there's another screen available. And this basically has to do with automatic meter reading devices, serial numbers that the radio read systems use to locate the reader if you do that. And then you can set this up for either sight read, touch read, or radio read meters. You can also supply additional information such as the brass number on the meter and the size of the meter and when it was installed. And this information is all kept permanently and is available on reports. Okay, so once we have meters set up on the system, then those are put together on a meter sheet. And a meter sheet is generated each billing period on each cycle, and typically that's done once per month. So here on this particular billing cycle, we have the meters listed. So a meter sheet is basically like a manual meter sheet that you might print out and take around on a clipboard to take your readings. So we'll see the previous readings, and then the job of the meter reader is to supply the current readings. And this can either be done manually, or the current readings can also be supplied from an automatic meter reading system. So at this point, I'm going to take a break and test this video for clarity.